How to remove ads from YouTube. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to remove ads from YouTube. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's head over to our settings. And once you're in there, just scroll all the way down until you reach this Google right here. So click on Google. And once you click on that, this will redirect you to this page. So click on ads right here. And then click on reset advertising ID, click on confirm, and after that click on delete advertising ID and click on this button right here, and you should be able to delete your advertising ID. Next thing you need to do is click on this manage your Google account, and once you're in there, this will redirect you to this page right here. So once you've done that, click on this data and privacy. Then from there, just scroll all the way down until you reach this ad center right here. Click on this ad center, and as you can see, it is turned on. So this is turned on, so let's click on that and click on turn off right here in order to turn it off. And as you can see, it is now turned off. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to remove ads from YouTube. If you have questions or comments, kindly put them in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.